Panel theft is something that will always be present. So there are some solutions that you can buy, but you can, if you've got an alarm system, you can quickly just ask your alarm people to help you. This is just what I've got lying around here. I've been in the security as well. So just to give you an idea, just normal door magnets. These normal door magnets you can use. So basically you will put it onto your panel. As soon as they lift it, they will, you know, it's normally closed. So it's basically a continuity test. It's normally closed. So your alarm will stay like that, and as soon as it opens, it will trigger. So say for instance, this is IDS. This is a wireless door magnet that you can use. So you can just, if you've got an IDS, all the other systems also has the same things. So basically, as soon as you will pull it apart, it will trigger. So you can put a few on, but this can be maybe a bit costly. Because you will have quite a lot of panels, and that could be, but it's a solution. Then these are Shure Electronics. This is an excellent product. I love them. I think the range is 150 meters line of sight. So basically it's the same. So it's got two channels, and it's basically normally open or normally closed. So if you put your door magnet on there, basically it will trigger both ways. So now you can see the light there. So as soon as that door magnet goes open, then you will get the signal again. You can set it on delays. I think it was on a delay now. So no, it's on instant. So you can put maybe on 2 strings, or you can use it for something else. You can always put beams on top as well, but the reason I want to use the wires is basically you get these all door magnet wires, very thin wires. So what I want to do is, what I want to say is also for fire protection. So if there's a fire on your roof that you don't know of, I'm going to test it now. Okay, what I'm going to try and do is to see what this wire does. So it's on the continuity test. Sorry for the beep. So now your system is fine. As soon as it breaks, it goes off. So I'm going to do the burn test to see what it does. Okay, it took a while. But at least it did break. So the continuity is broken. At least you got an alarm, because you won't realize it at all. So as soon as they move the panels, the line will go through. This is also a very good product, also from Shure Electronics. It's basically a remote that you can use. Only thing about this one, it basically needs 12 volts. So normally we put this in an enclosure. We use these 12 volt batteries. You get 12 volt batteries on the lithiums as well. We can use that. They last quite a lot. Or you can put a power supply up or something like that. But yeah, it's just products lying around. So this one works exactly the same. It supplies, and as soon as you put the trigger there, so as soon as it triggers, it just goes. So also a very nice product. I normally use this for quite a lot of applications, press buttons for remotes, especially outdoors. So yeah, let's quickly, so you will put, basically you will put it there. Some people will say they won't last very long, but they do last quite a lot outside as well. This one, I will say you must put it onto the panel, and then the magnet maybe onto the frame. So as soon as it pulls away, the reason why I will say that is every panel has these holes in. So what I will do is I will I will put the wire through here to the next one. So if they take them apart as well, so that they have to cut it, then it will also trigger. If these ones are not for you, we can quickly go to the outdoor ones. There I use it on my garage on an outdoor magnet. They basically call it a garage door magnet. Let's quickly go and have a look how that looks. So this is on one of my garage doors. So I use the Cell Secure. There's a door magnet, so it's wireless. So let me just quickly pull open the garage. You see, there it goes. So it basically works the same. I haven't even fixed this one yet. So you fix it to the floor, and there's the big magnet. So the gap on this one is very good. So you can use it also for lots of things. But yeah, so that's just something that you can use. We have been in contact with Nerea. It's a Italy based, so it's optic fiber that they use. It even picks up the vibrations before theft, so it can go quite well for larger plants, for better solutions. Okay, so it's Nerea solutions. So even if it's been shaken, the alarm will go off. They use fiber optic cable with this PC board that goes to your alarm panel directly. It can go, they've got different types, but they can go quite far, 200-300 meters. So the alarm will sound if it's broken or if it's even shaken hard. No false alarms. So yeah, it clips on very easily. Then it goes on, you will see it, they will hook it up with the fiber optic cable. So it also will help with the fires as well, you know. So there they hook it up, so it's very easily, and you can do it quite neatly. And yeah, so there's no way that they can basically unscrew it or anything. So this is really a good solution, especially on the bigger plants. So yeah, obviously you'll have to have the tools to do the fiber optic connections. It is possible to get ready-made cables, so then you will just plug it in, hook it up, and that will go either to your alarm system. It can go to SMS module or anything that you want to use. So as soon as there's a trigger, it will go through. So yeah, there's just it shows it on a G. They've got a 4G, but I think there's other makes as well. It's made in Italy. So yeah, I think it's awesome. So yes, there's many solutions, whichever one fits you, but I think it's very important, and I think the insurance companies will also get us to protect our own systems.